Hi everyone, my name is Dilip Kumar Munagapati and my student ID is M00908451, and this is the coursework of robot manipulation. Of course ID is PDE 4431. Okay, coming to the coursework, this coursework part B, we have to design a work cell in a simulation software called RoboDK, as we see here. Well, the application was mainly like design a pick and place mechanism. Well, you can see here the robot is getting two inline as a input and placing it on two pallets. So here I have designed in such a way that in a realistic model have added two conveyors as input for the robot and two pallet for to place the boxes and all. So here I have used a tool called vacuum which can hold up to 5 kgs, which can 5 kgs of payload, and attached to the tool frame of that particular robot and adjusted adjusted TCP according to the and so added this position for as a data. I have added a folder called palletizing data. Inside that palletizing data, the all target positions were stored, like approach position, retard position, the position of first box. Similar to all three, I have adjusted like around for peanut palletizing it 16 targets were placed. For every 16 targets, another two targets were positions were approach and retard. So that's how I've placed this data as the first one for palletizing data for peanut boxes. And similar to cashew pallet, I have attached a similar folder as a cashew pallet data. Have renamed as an approach, retard, and position of first box as a level 0 B0, B0 box, level 0 B1 box. So this as per the requirement, it should completing only one layer of each pallet. So that's how I have designed as a level 0 as a positions. As a cycle time is around 8 minutes 30 seconds to complete each layer on each pallet, which is approximately 5 minutes and 30 seconds for peanut pallet to fill up the one layer and 3 minutes for cashew pallet to fill up the one layer. So that's how it is been placed, and overall as per the requirement in the PDF mentioned in work. I have also like created an in detailed report for your reference as how many boxes will be coming from the production line and how many pallets will be outlet from throughout the shift of 8 hours. You will be like see the cycle time and charts available in the report. Detailed description will is represented. Yes, also have managed to program these things peanut. So here we have to pick and place boxes of peanuts and cashew packages which are coming from this particular persons. And here I have used few Python files to clear the conveyor and clear the pallets and clear the tools and like placing a new box on the conveyor and to move the conveyor. So to move the conveyor I have used a few like variables to move it whenever the box is on the robot, and this variable sends a sends to convey that it has received and etc, something like here. Have used wait conveyor run is equals to 0, something like that, input output 0 and 1. And this is for the peanut packaging. And go home, have used a set reference of this base of this frame and move to home. And well, this is a initially it should be in the home position, and this is the main program to run the model. Well, I have exported the simulation, and you can see in the run main.html file which have attached to this file or folder, and have also added few CAD models. Such you can see here, this particular conveyor, small and big conveyors are also CAD models. These two human beings are also CAD models. All these fences and these fences are for the security purpose. I mean, for not going inside of this particular area, as user mentioned, as a 5 by 5 meters of this area has been given to the robot to palletize things, and two forklifts to lift this particular pallet and another pallet, and have also used a system to control the robot as just for reference purpose, like how realistic it can be and all. If you want to see the glance of how the Python program works, I can here there is a program called clear everything, which clears pallets, cashew pallets, the conveyor and everything in the position. Let's run it and just see for your reference. I just run it. See here, this particular conveyor has been cleared, and similarly, see here, this particular pallet has been cleared, and also this will be cleared. And this will go to home position, and everything sets to the initial positions. Well, this robot picks and places at a speed of 20 seconds per box. As per the requirement, for every 1 minute 3 boxes will be coming from this production line, which is 2 boxes from peanut packaging and 1 box from cashew package, something like that. Well, you can see the cycle time and everything in this export simulation file, which have attached to this video or the folder. Well, that's it from my side, and thank you.